Tired of seeing that annoying COM error message every time you remove your OEM radio in your 2006 to 2008 Mitsubishi? The Amplifier Interface Harness, designed specifically for select Mitsubishi models with Rockford Fosgate factory amplified systems, offers a seamless fix. It sends a digital signal to activate your vehicle's amplifier, eliminating error messages and ensuring your sound system works flawlessly without the factory radio in place. Here's why it matters. Without this harness, removing your OEM radio can cause communication errors that disrupt your audio experience. Plus, if your Mitsubishi has navigation, this harness supplies crucial signals like vehicle speed sense, VSS, parking brake status, and reverse gear detection. That means your system stays fully functional and responsive to your driving conditions. It features a 14-pin harness with RCA connections, making it a neat, integrated solution for your factory sound system. From real users in the U.S., the feedback is clear. It works perfectly, but it's not a simple plug-and-play fix. If you're not comfortable with wiring and proper terminations, this might not be the right project for you. The key is following the instructions carefully and understanding the wiring setup. One user shared how, after installing it, they had to adjust the bass because it was too boomy at first. Starting with all gains turned down and slowly adjusting mid and high gains before boosting bass made all the difference. The result? A crisp, punchy sound without distortion. While some might hesitate at the price, around $100, the value is undeniable. You get a hassle-free way to maintain your factory amplifier's functionality, avoid error messages, and enjoy better sound quality. It's a smart investment for anyone upgrading or replacing their Mitsubishi's head unit but wanting to keep the Rockford Fosgate system intact. If you're ready to upgrade your Mitsubishi's audio setup without losing the factory amplifier's edge, this amplifier interface harness is worth a look. It's designed to preserve your vehicle's original sound integrity while fixing those frustrating error codes. Try it when you're ready to experience clean, reliable sound that works as it should.